Oh my gosh. Get him, Dad. Oh my gosh, get him, Dad. Oh no, our boat. Oh shit. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're out here on the river. Try to get some more catfish, some bass. So yeah, let's go. Here we go. Alright guys, we're at the first spot. That's a walleye. That's a big walleye. That's a big walleye. Careful. That has it. Big one. Careful. Oh, came off. No, that was a big one. That's a big walleye. I saw it over there. That's a walleye. Yeah. Fucking huge ass one. That's a big walleye. That's a big walleye. Oh, look. Oh, the smallmouth. Finally, we catch a fish. Show camera. Oh no! Smallmouth. Yeah, I think that was a big smallmouth then.
Don't know.
Cause it was that color. That was a huge smallmouth. Probably one of those 5-pounders, 6-pounders. That's bass. That took it up again. Another walleye. Wait, yeah, that's walleye. Let me see it. Let me see. Little walleye. I see that. Alright, oh! There it goes. Over here. Oh, big walleye. Careful. It's not bad. 12-inch.
Oh, that black hair, yeah.
See, that's why you need that. Here you go.
Take it. I can't see it.
This is the biggest fish of the day. A walleye. 3 walleye, 1 smallmouth. Over here. Dad choked up on a big one. Over here. That's bass. Careful. Oh, big walleye. Oh, barely hook.
No, it's not good.
It's not keep it though, huh?
Yeah, it's too small.
It's almost.
Khi lại mà. Cho nó là
Yeah, this one really small. 14-inch. No, it's like 12-inch. Look at that walleye. I still haven't caught anything yet.
Let you go, buddy. Chill.
Got one? Oh, big one? Net. Oh, damn. That's hooked up. Here. Careful. Here. No! Got this. Hooked up. Double up. This one big, Dad. Oh, Dad. This one big. Big small. Dad. No! I had a big smallmouth on. Here. I had a big ass smallmouth on. Oh, small. Oh, big walleye. Oh, that's a big ass walleye. That's a big walleye. Careful. Oh, that's a big walleye. That's a big walleye.
I know keeper.
Oh, good shit.
I know.
That's a nice walleye. Yep. Damn it. What? Hook him off?
Almost fly.
No, I had a smallmouth on. You almost doubled up. Yeah. God. Fish. Go. Got him. Net. Oh, this one big. Net. This one big. Big small. Get it. Let's go. Finally. Smallmouth, let's go, bro. Let's go. First smallie of the year. Finally. Yes. Bro. First fish of the day too. Oh, right on top of the mouth. Look at that. Oh my gosh, we're just jigging it. They're really close right there. Oh my. Look at that. It just popped out. If he jumped, it would have popped out. Look at that. The tail is spawning. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. First smallie of the year. Let's go. Alright, this is about a pounder. Look at the belly on that one. Letting it go. There it goes. Back out. I just want a big walleye or a big bass, man. Got him. This is a nice one, Dad. Wow. Oh, big bass. Another bass, Dad. Net. Get him, net. Oh, get him. Oh, shit. Get him. Dad. Oh, get him. Oh, let's go. Oh, my gosh. They're just right there. Oh, this one's a beautiful one. Oh, my gosh. Oh, he's biting me. Man, this one's beautiful. This one's pretty. Look at the eye. Look at the eye on that one. Right on top of the mouth. Ow. Sharp with the teeth. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's like a drop off right there. It's really close. We're just putting it down there. They're picking it off. Walleye and bass. Second one. Double up, net. Hold on, I'm gonna let this one go. Come on, buddy. That took up on a huge one. Huge one. Careful. Oh, big bass. Oh, big walleye. Huge walleye. Oh, shit. That's another nice one. That's a keeper. Wait. Yeah.
Almost got off, dude.
Holy crap. Damn. Big smallmouth. Oh my god, my PB smallmouth. Dad, this one's huge. Dad, come on, get him. Holy shit. Holy. That's a big one. Move.
Có số món lúc còn lại.
I'm just handling it.
Tụi con tại món tụi con thì cho theo tới hậu cooler. Go. Big one. Send the cooler down.
Let go. Hey, big one. Oh, it's not bad. Okay, we let it go.
Huh?
We letting it go.
See. Keep going.
No, we let it go. We already have 3 walleye.
Keep going.
No, we're catching another one.
Keep catching on.
We're catching another one. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this one go. Look at the fins. It's been spawning. See the fins are all messed up? I'm gonna let it go then. Take pictures. Yeah, my PB. This is huge. Let it rest. Not right now. Yeah, keep it here, and I'm a fish. Let this fish rest. Yeah, I'm not. Come on, smallies. Come on. That's one. Oh, nice walleye. Oh, this sauger. No, this sauger. This is sauger. We can't keep sauger. We can?
Yeah. Take it.
First sauger? Oh my gosh, look at this sauger. Look at the spots on that.
Keep it.
Beautiful.
Sauger and walleye are different.
Yeah, they are. Perch family though. Sauger?
Yep.
I don't think I've caught a sauger before. I don't remember catching a sauger. It's a nice one. There you go with your friends. Look how many tadpoles there are. Oh my gosh. So much. You look fry too. There's so much fry over here. They're everywhere. What the heck? Get the net! What the heck? What the oh my god! Fucking net! Get the net! This one's fucking huge! Dude, I just do it! Oh my god! Dead! Oh my god! Get the net! Oh, this one's huge! Oh shit, no! Get it! Head first! What the heck? Dude, you guys see that? Oh my, this is crazy. There's no way. Oh my god. Yeah, we're fucked. That right away. Chicken liver worked. I'm shaking, bro. I'm shaking, bro.
Okay, come on.
New spot. We haven't fished it before. So let's see if there's any catfish right here. Net. Oh my gosh. This one's huge, man. Oh my. Whoa!
Actually,
I don't know. This is catfish. Oh my god. Huge! Oh my god, Dad, this one's holy sh! What the dude? Dad, perfectly hooked. Get it, head first, head first. Oh my god, it's gonna break our net. Okay. Holy shit. It's heavy. Get it. Oh my god. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Oh, dude, that's huge. Dude, that's like a fuck. That's like a 20-pounder. That's my PB. That's my PB. Oh my god, that's huge. Oh, this is way bigger than yours, Dad. Hold my rod. Dad's getting bit. Dad, you got him. You got him. He got him. He got him. He got him. Net. Over here. Careful. Over here. Put it down. Put it low, so it don't jump. Put it low. Oh, small one. Still catfish.
Your mom like this one.
At least you caught one. Huh? You need a plier? Oh. That's a right here. Huge one?
This one.
What the heck? Dude, that was like 30 seconds. That took up already. Careful. Put it low. Holy, no, that's not. I think that's soft shell. Get him, Dad. Oh my gosh, get him, Dad. I was just rigging up mine. He just got a huge one. Oh my, careful. Oh my gosh. See, that's why that one's bad. The drag is so ass. It's tired. Careful. When this get close, you put it low. Look at rod pen. That's why I don't like spinning. For catfish, you need a heavier setup, Dad. Oh no. You're gonna get spooled. Is he shaking his head? Oh my gosh, that's a huge wink! It's close. Careful. It's huge. Oh shit, it's fucking big. Mine? Come on. Oh my. Head first. Oh man. It's perfect. It's good hook. It's good.
Careful.
Got it. Holy shit, man. Oh, Dad, that's fucking huge, man. Oh no, our boat.
Oh, shit.
What the fuck? I am. Yep, Dad, look. Got him done.
Okay.
Look at, wait, video. Recorder. Tell us I got a fish. There's one. This one's a little one. That one though. Let's go. Another channel. Perfectly hooked. Yeah. Dude, I don't think we got enough space. Try. Perfect hook. Cocksucker. Oh, couldn't find a fish.